Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to create a business campaign visual story using Super Zoom in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a campaign image. I pause because campaigns need emotion. I convert the layer to Smart Object. I open Camera Raw and apply Super Zoom slowly. I don't rush. I reduce noise and soften harsh edges. I zoom into details and feel the story. Business campaigns should feel human. I slightly pull back zoom to keep realism. I add a soft gradient mask. I zoom out and imagine this